Hi guys, welcome to the Virtual RV Show. We are so glad that you are here. We really hope you enjoyed this video walkthrough of this trailer, and if you enjoy what you see, make sure you watch until the end so you can see all the advantages of making a purchase with Campkin's RV. So check this out.
Hi everybody, welcome to campkins.com. This is the online video walkthrough of the 2021 315 PACK12. 31-foot living space and a 12-foot garage on this great affordable toy hauler. So you can see here on the outside, you've got a gel coat exterior, which is very, very easy to keep clean. You've got an aerodynamic front cap with lots of different storage bays on it. This particular unit is prepped for a generator, but it doesn't actually have one. You can see the storage here on the inside. You have storage which goes right to the front of the trailer, and then you've got tie downs for all of your gear inside the trailer as well. It comes with a very, very large awning. In fact, it's so large that it has a center support, so you've got lots of exterior space. Of course, that's electric with the LED lights. You've got plugs and TV inputs on the outside if you want to put a TV on the outside of the trailer. And then you, of course, have the dog tie if you want to bring your dog. And then you have these stable steps, which helps you get into the trailer. So let's go inside and have a look.
Slide out area, you've got a great couch, which will also fold down into a jackknife type bed if you want to do that. You've got a dinette with storage drawers that extend all the way out underneath. And then you've got these great zebra shades, which can give you full darkness or partial light, depending on what time of day it is and what you're doing. You also have large windows, which will open and give you lots of cross breeze as well. And then we'll go around to the back area here. You can see here, this is the large door. We'll go in the garage in a minute, but this door is very, very wide, so you can get in and out of it with no problem. You have storage all the way around, deep storage up there, storage on top of all it with all the cabinets. And then in the kitchen area, with this particular model, this one is gen prep, so it doesn't have a generator, so we did put a gas electric 8.5 cubic foot fridge in it. And then you also have a glass top stove, seamless countertop with a stainless steel undermount sink and pull out sprayer faucet, and the Cherokee sanitization station for either hand sanitizer or you can put your dish soap in there as well. A great spot to hang your coats by the door. And then that cabinet and fireplace in between there is where you would put a television. And then there's also some storage cabinets in the front area as well. We'll go upstairs and have a look in the bedroom. So there's lots of room at the end of the bed in this toy hauler, which is great. You've got some good storage around the bed, a nice storage cabinet in the bedroom as well, with TV prep here as well. It has dual air conditioning, so the bedroom has its own air conditioner. You've got lots of charging ports and plugs, and there is storage underneath the bed. And then the washroom is just off the bed. So you can see there's lots of room around the toilet. You've got a good shower, glass shower surround with a large shower in there, good sized vanity. And then there is an entrance from the main area of the trailer, and then also an entrance from the bedroom. So depending on whether it's nighttime or whatever, you've got privacy and you have like an ensuite type bed washroom. Now we will head to the garage, which is the most important part of a toy hauler. You got a 12-foot garage. You've got lots of space in here for all your toys. As you can see, if you just look at the ground, you can see all of the different tie downs. So depending on what kind of toys you have lots of configurations, and those tie downs are tied right down to the frame, so they're solid. Then you've got the electric beds. So this top bed is a queen size bed. This bottom one can be either a dinette, or it can be a bed, or it can go up against the wall depending on what you're doing. We have the ramp up today, but that is the ramp to get your toys into the trailer, and then of course it turns into a deck, and then it has this more ride gate which rolls on wheels and is really easy to put out, and then it has some steps off the back of that as well. And then in the front area of the garage, you've got a spot for a TV, washer dryer prep, and then access to those storage cabinets and a window as well. So this can turn into a functional room or a bunk room, because a lot of people buy these toy haulers as bunk models as well as toy haulers. So there's just so many things you can do with it, kayaks and boats. And again, you can see you have this nice glass door, which leads you to the main living area. So folks, this is the 2021 Wolf Pack 315 PACK12.
Thank you so much for joining us at the RV Show. I just want to take a moment to talk about some of the advantages of purchasing from Campkin's RV. First of all, Campkin's RV has over 47 years experience in the RV industry, and we are a full service RV dealership. As well, we're a part of the RV Care Network. This is a network of over 70 dealers across Canada that provide emergency service when you're on the road should you require that, and also some other great advantages to that as well. When you purchase a trailer from us, you do get a membership to the Explorer RV Club, and we include tire and rim insurance so that if you have a blowout on the road, you're taken care of. Also, with every trailer, you do get a security tracker, so you always know where your trailer is, and there's extra insurance should somebody steal your trailer so you can replace it. There's a whole lot more as well available in a Campkin's purchase, but we want to make sure that your purchase experience and your experience after that is great when you work with Campkin's RV, because our whole goal is to help you make your RV dreams come true.